Are you new to Procreate? Then you need to stay tuned. I'm Christy Darty. I teach lettering and doodling on the iPad, and I can't wait to show you some tips and tricks to get started. Okay, so if you watched the last video, part 1, this is where we ended up. And this is color bleed. It's so frustrating when you have color bleed. So let me catch you up. This is a heart that I made, and I dropped color in it, and it just bled everywhere. So let's go backwards. Okay, let me show you why. Let's zoom in, and you can see there's like a little gap right there. It's not going to work if you have a gap. So you want, and even if it's a little gap, sometimes you don't even see it. So now let's drop our color in and see. Yay! But look what happened. It's got this little white rim around it. We don't want that. So let's see if we can fix it. I'm going to go back to where I was. I already filled that in. Remember the gap. But now I'm going to drop color. But before I let go, I'm going to slide my pencil back and forth. You're going to see something up here. Let me show you. We're going to slide this here. Don't let go. And you're going to see the color drop threshold. We're going to slide this over until we get it filled in. Look at that. We did it. We got it colored in. That is such a great tip that I've had problems with a lot, especially in the beginning, and I was so frustrated. Because I could not figure it out. So hopefully that was a great tip for you. Okay, what about this? Let's see how this does. Let's choose another color for funsies. All right, let's drop color in here. Uh-oh, what happened? I didn't press down hard enough right here because this is a different texture pencil. So let's go back, or brush, and let's press down hard. Okay, you can see right there where there still wasn't ink. And I'm going to drop it in. Now look at it. The color is different, and it's because there's a different color. There's a different style brush. So let's go look at the brush. We're going to click on brushes, and I chose gouache, which is under painting. Okay, let's try to use that trick of color drop and see what happens where the threshold changes. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. I haven't let go. I'm going to go back until I'm not going to get it all the way filled in. Okay, so what I would do with this one, instead of coloring it in with the color drop, I would just literally color it in, right? Now you're still going to get some overlapping lines because this is pressure sensitive. Okay, so this is a different kind of brush. This one I don't recommend for color drop. Now, but you can blend it in. Let's go to the blending tool right here, and let's just kind of blend it to where it's kind of blended in. All right, much better, right? Just keep playing with it till you get it the way you want it. Okay, let's use another brush. This is Fresco. I really like it. Now, if you don't have some of the brushes that I have, it's probably because you have a different version iPad. Not iPad, but version of Procreate. You can always find something that looks similar, so have fun with it. I 99% use the brushes that come with the Procreate. Okay, Fresco. So you may or may not have this. And look how pretty that is. I'm just going to go around. Let's see if we can drop color in this. I'm going to say no because I knew it was really light here. So let's go back and cover it up a little bit more and drop color in here and see what happens. And I actually like the way this one looks. I think it's really pretty. It'd be really pretty for Valentine's Day. So play around with them. And let's see what happens when we do the color threshold. Remember, drop, don't let go. Ooh, check that out. Huh. Always play. Just play for fun. I mean, what's it going to hurt? Nothing. You can always go back. Unless you leave the program and come back. Then you can't fix it. Okay, let's try this. We're just going to use, I'm going to go to Calligraphy and Monoline. I love using Monoline. It's just an easy, regular pen is what I call it. So again, we're going to draw a heart. Now this is a pretty solid heart. And I want to drop in some color. So I'm just going to take a pink and drop it in. Now, you know what? I've decided I don't want the black outline. What am I going to do? How am I going to fix it easily without having to redraw it? Well, we're going to go to that layer Okay, we're going to click on it and we're going to click select. When I click select, the whole thing is going to turn whatever color is right here. We'll do this a couple of times so you can soak it in, right? We're going to click select and that's going to turn the whole thing pink. Isn't that amazing? Because that was pink. Now, let's go back to where we were, okay? Why are you not working? Okay, I'm going to show you the settings that you need to have because your settings may not be the same. So let's change this. Let's pretend like let's pretend like the color, we've been playing with something else. And so our color was blue over here. And we are going to go to that layer. Oh yeah, I want to change it to pink, whatever. So I'm going to click on it. And when I hit select, the whole thing's going to turn blue because remember, the blue is what's selected. Hit select, the whole thing's blue, which is great. However, you need to make sure that your settings are freehand and color fill for this to work, okay? Freehand and color fill. So let's go back and let's try something else. So now we can go back because we haven't left the program. Okay, alpha lock. Now, this is the trick. I can color this in, and it's not going outside of the heart for one, but it's changing the color of all of it. So let's do another color, and I'm just picking random colors. They may not look good together, but that's okay. Just for an example, let's do red. Oh, that's an orangey red. Look how fun though. Okay, now I'm gonna do purple. Let's see if I can drop color right here and fill it in. No, I don't know why that's not working. It doesn't always work. Let me try to hold it. Oh, look. Use that color threshold. I got part of it to do. Okay, now let's try another color. That's too much the same. Let's do this color. What's going to happen if I just drop color? It didn't go all the way to the black, so I would want to go ahead and color over that whole thing. Also, look, that's an ugly line. Let's go back and let's drop color. But before we let go, let's do this. And that actually colored it in. Ooh, look, it colored all that in, but then it made that little mark. I don't know if you can see it. So it's just something you have to play around with. Just play. For some reason, that black mark is not having it. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I missed that. Okay, let's do green. Ooh, I forgot my. Got to go back to that blue. Ooh, I'll show you a tip on that too. Okay. Oh, almost done. Let's pick another color. We're going to do we'll do more of a true red this time. I hope you're loving watching me color. I hope you're coloring at the same time if you have an iPad. If I ever go too fast, please stop and go back. That's the whole point of being able to watch a recording. It's so nice that you can go back. When I was first learning, I would stop, go back, do it with them, stop, then do the next step. Okay, and I was going to show you. Okay, so when you put your finger on the blue, it's going to change this to blue. Okay, do you see that magnifying glass? It's picking the color. It's the color picker. So remember, I can go out of this line. Yay! Ooh, that's ugly. So what can I do? I can go backwards, or here's a trick. This is a trick that I love because sometimes what happened? Wait. Okay, sometimes what happens is I've already gone on and I can't go back, and this is all meshed together, so I can't erase or whatever. So put your magnifying glass or your color picker on the green, and then you can fix that with the green. Hopefully these were fun, easy tips for you. A lot of it is going to be like, wait, it'll take a while, and then the more you do it, the more you play with it, the more you'll get it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you watch the next lessons. You're going to learn a lot. I have a lot to teach you. And don't forget to follow me or subscribe or whatever YouTube does. I'm on TikTok and I'm on all the things, Facebook and Instagram. So they're all called something else. But please subscribe. I would love to have you. And if you want to know more about lettering and doodling on the iPad, I have a membership group that I'd love for you to join, and we'll give you the link here so you can check it out.